Mining Technologies International Incorporated, located in the heart of the Canadian mining industry in Sudbury, Ontario, has been a manufacturer of premium quality raise drill steel and accessories for the past 40 years. Our experience allows for a complete understanding of the product and its application. Our quality products are a direct result of our proprietary material specifications, high manufacturing standards, and engineering excellence. As the raise bore industry evolved, larger capacity machines were developed in order to ream longer, larger, and steeper angle raises. These machines exert huge amounts of torque and thrust on the drill string and bottom hole assemblies. Mining Technologies International has been at the forefront of raise bore technology and have refined both our material specifications and machining processes to meet the increased demands imposed on the drill steel. We offer a complete drill string package from the work table down. We also work with our customers to design and manufacture specialty tooling to accommodate custom projects. The key factor in designing our durable, quality raise bore drill string is the proprietary technical specifications that MTI has developed. It is a result of years of research and real-world experience and covers all aspects of the steel from the melt to the finished product. MTI's products are forged from a vacuum degassed bottom-poured 4330 vanadium modified alloy that has been designed specifically for the raise bore application. State-of-the-art technologies analyze the chemical makeup of the raw material and ensures that we have achieved our unique formula. The ingot, or bloom, is transported to the forge shop where it is maintained at a precise temperature prior to the forging process. A numbered tag is attached to each piece of steel, which is followed throughout the material processing right up to finished product. A minimum reduction ratio, which is stated in the MTI technical specification, ensures the optimal grain structure and desired mechanical properties. The steel is open die forged with sufficient stock to rough turn to order requirements. It is then heated to austenitized range followed by an air cool. This will ensure fine grain structure. The normalized forging is then returned to the furnace for a heat treat process. The steel is kept at a specific temperature for a specified length of time. At the appropriate moment, the forging is quenched and tempered to attain the exact mechanical properties desired and outlined in MTI's raised drill steel specification. Samples are taken at predetermined depths for each heat, each bar size per heat treat load. To ensure accurate mechanical properties, a specific length of material is cut from the bar. At this designated location, transverse tensile and impact samples are taken from the specified depth and tested as per ASTM A370 to meet the desired mechanical properties. Bars are rough turned to the order size and tolerance. Brinell hardness tests are performed on both the samples and outer diameter of the bars. Each bar is subjected to 100% volumetric ultrasonic inspection using either the contact or total immersion method. Magnetic particle inspection of the surface of each bar is performed. Once testing is completed, the data results are input into a computer and a material certificate is issued. Material is color-coded and a heat and order number is stamped on each bar. The finished raw material is ready to ship. One of the most important aspects of our total manufacturing process is complete 100% traceability of our material from the pour to finished product. Once received at our manufacturing facility, warehousing personnel visually inspect the bar and ensure that it is correctly coated and matches the provided material certificate. The bar is quarantined until engineering reviews the certificate to ensure that the specified chemical, mechanical, and heat treat properties match our material spec. Only after this engineering review is the material released for manufacturing. Mining Technology International has complete machining facilities that includes both manual and CNC capability. All programming for CNC equipment is performed using the industry-standard AutoCAD design package. Once the material is issued, it is cut to length. The bars are then trepanned, a process that removes the center core of the bar. A second boring operation removes additional weight of the steel and sizes the inside diameter to proportions that create a balanced threaded connection between pin and box. The diameter is turned and the industry standard DI pin and box connections are cut. All leads of threads are gauged by the machinist with working gauges which are precision hardened and ground. These gauges are regularly calibrated with our master gauges. Master gauges are calibrated using MTI Grand Master gauges, the only Grand Master gauges in existence. All other certified gauges must be calibrated to the MTI-owned masters. The wrench slots are milled on a 4-axis CNC milling machine, and a unique serial number is assigned to each piece. Specified shoulder thickness is maintained to allow for maximum reconditioning of the connections, which ultimately increases the life of the steel. The product is then sent for final inspection, which includes a complete re-inspection of all manufacturing processes. All MTI raise bore threads are chem-plated, a process of submerging the threaded connections in a phosphate zinc bath, which etches the threads to protect against galling and allows the thread compound to adhere to the surface of the threads during makeup. The product is painted and fitted with MTI high-impact thread protectors and is ready for shipping. MTI recognizes that the bottom hole assembly, including stingers and stabilizers, are subjected to higher stresses and loads than the rest of the drill string. For this reason, a material grade with enhanced mechanical properties is used for these products. A variety of bottom hole assemblies are offered, which may consist of integral stabilizers with hard-faced ribs or ribs with carbide inserts. The ribs are milled and either carbide hard facing is applied or carbide buttons are inserted. In the case of hard facing, the ribs are ground to size. Stingers can also be manufactured with hard-faced replaceable welded pads for increased durability. Mining Technologies International's products are known around the world for their reliability and durability. The raise boring industry has continued to place demands on raise boring tools. At MTI, we are constantly improving our process to ensure that our customers get maximum footage and remain competitive. For more information, please contact MTI.